What we will talk today is about const variables. Alright, let's take an example. Let's take an integer. Let's define a variable, say number of wheels, right, equal to 4. Say you are running a simulation and you want to simulation of a car, and you want to keep the number of wheels equal to 4. All right, and there might be some situations either through programming errors, all right, you might change this variable to something else, right, say 6. So obviously this is wrong. You don't want to change it, but there is somebody introduced some errors that changing the value of this variable. So in order to restrain programmers to changing the value from initial value to some other value, you use a keyword called const. It's all lowercase. All right, const. So when you do that, the compiler will always make sure that this variable is always as a value of 4. You can never ever change it. All right, so that is the benefit of declaring a variable const. Okay, let's go ahead and check it out how this works in our system. Let me remove it. All right, so const int x equal, okay, number of wheels equal to 4, and I am changing number of wheels equal to say 5. So let's see what the compiler says. Right, I have declared number of wheels of type integer and a const. That means it's a constant, never changes during the lifespan of the program. All right, and then I change the value to 5. Okay, let's save it and compile it. As you can see, it says here error, assignment of read-only variable number of wheels. Right, so the compiler makes sure that you never ever change it. Once you declared, that's it. Right, but you can always use that for reading. Reading means, let's say integer x equal, I can use it for reading. Right, I can do that, but I cannot write it. Okay, so anything that appears on the right hand side of the equal operator is a read, and most of the time anything that appears that on the left side of the equal operator is a write. So we are reading the number of wheels and assigning it to x. Okay, this is fine. All right, thank you.